You know what time it is? Filipino time. Yeah, don't listen to the conversation. They're just listen to mine. That's still a story. May maraming bata na naa sa bahay nila nang gawas ilahang mga warning. This is only 3 minutes, and I'm also gonna say some English in this story. So, ang uba tanan siblings anak sa bata nang gawas nagsuroy-suroy. Nangawala sila. Gipang report sa pulis. Tapos na wala sila nakitaan. This is also a fake story, so don't worry. Tapos wala man sila nakitaan. So, wala na sila nakitaan. Tapos, next year, wala na. Namatay. Kitaan ang lawas, which is aka dead body, in the river. Basta lang, dili ni tinuod na story. Okay. And once they saw it, they were shocked. And they never ever the end. Like and subscribe for part 2. The end.